If you're looking to plant a biodiversity garden, it can be easy to overlook Liriopes. They're often seen as a background plant and they're exotic, so how much use can they really be for our native wildlife? It turns out they're actually very useful. For starters, their flowers can be quite high in pollen, supporting beneficial insects such as predatory beetles, which feed on the pollen when their preferred prey are low in numbers. This means that you can keep those beneficial predators hanging around the landscape so that they don't have to rebuild their numbers from scratch every time they eat all of the pests out of the landscape. Their foliage is known to be a great source of food for the larvae of butterflies, moths, and much more overseas. We can expect that the same thing's happening in Australia, although I did struggle to find sources for that claim. Their nectar is more of a food source for insects than it is for birds, however, birds love the berries. Below the ground, Liriopes have quite a robust root system that's great for pumping sugars down into the soil where the microbes can access it. Their roots are known for stabilising soils, particularly beneficial in landscapes that are struggling from erosion issues. If you're looking for a low-mow lawn alternative that works in wet, dry, shade and full sun, while also attracting beneficial pollinators, look into Isabella Liriope. We reckon that this is one of the best low-mow lawn alternatives ever brought to market, and it's been bred specifically for Australian conditions. Small fauna like insects and lizards live out their whole lives in the interplay between Liriope mass plantings and the pathways nearby or open grassy patches. Not to mention slugs and snails, which are a food source for birds and other fauna. If you're trying to build sustainable landscapes and you value biodiversity, it would be a mistake to overlook Liriopes. Sure, they aren't originally from Australia, but they still bring massive value for Australian landscapes. Browse the Ozbreed website to see more of the best Liriopes that have ever been released in Australia. Whether you're looking for a Liriope based on its foliage characteristics, its flowers, or its biodiversity potential, you're sure to find something that you'll love.